Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus, which is what? Heron's formula. And in that class we discuss all the important formula, means the important formula related to Heron's to find the area of triangle. Dear student, we revise once more time. Dear student, Heron's formula is used for finding the area of triangle, and in previous class we also discussed about if three sides are given of any triangle, then the Heron's formula means area of triangle ABC is given by the formula S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Here S is what? The semi perimeter, and A, B, C are the sides of the triangle. Okay, now and S is your semi perimeter. Now we take and solve some important question based on that formula. Let's see. And we take a question. We take a very important question based on Heron's formula, and your question is an isosceles triangle. We take a NCERT question, and isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter, has perimeter 30 centimeter, and each of the equal sides and each of the equal sides is 12 centimeter. Okay, find the area of the triangle. Find the area of the triangle. Dear students, this is a very important question related to Heron's formula. Let's see. Dear students, in that question, here an isosceles triangle is given, and you know that in isosceles triangle two sides are equal to each other. Two sides are equal to each other in Heron's formula. Okay, so in isosceles triangle, now let's see its solution. First of all, let us take ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. Suppose that two sides AB and AC are equal to each other, because of this is an isosceles triangle, and two of its equal sides is given, which is this is 12 centimeter and this is also 12 centimeter. Let the third side be x, because of you know that, dear friends, ki area of triangle by using the Heron's formula, find in that case when all of its three sides are given, but here a third side is unknown, so we take it the let the third let the third side be x. Let the third side be x. Okay, and you know that we have also the perimeter of isosceles triangle is given 30. Perimeter is given as what? 30 centimeter. And you know that the perimeter is what? The sum of its all sides is called what? Perimeter. Now from figure, perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to what? AB plus BC plus CA. That is, AB is what? 12 plus x plus 12 is equal to 30. So we have 24 plus x is equal to 30. So x is equal to 30 minus 24, yani 6 centimeter. Okay, thus dear students, in this way we find the third side of that isosceles triangle is what? 6 centimeter. Now we have all three sides of that triangle, side AB, BC and CA. Now we use Heron's formula. And you know that now we find the semi perimeter, and the semi perimeter S is equal to half of the perimeter, means 30 by 2, that is what? This is 15 centimeter. Thus, we using the formula, thus area of triangle ABC is equal to what? S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Okay, and S minus C. Okay, dear students. Now we put the value of S as well as A, B, and C. Let's see. So here we write as what? S. The value of same perimeter is what? 50 into this is 15 minus A means what? Let us take 12 into 15 minus 12 into 15 minus third side is what? 6. Okay. Now we have this is the 15 into 15 minus 12, that is 3, into 15 minus 12, that is 3, into 15 minus 6, 9, that is 9. Now what I do? Now 3 3s are 9, so under root 15 into 9 into 9. So dear friends, here 9 is in pair, so we take 9 common out from the surds. Okay, 9 common out from the surds, and under root 15 is left. So 9 into under root 15 centimeter square. This is the area of triangle ABC. This is what? This is the area of triangle ABC. This is the very important concept question related to your syllabus, Heron's formula. This is very important question of your NCERT exercise. Let's see once more time. Dear student, here an isosceles triangle is given, and you know that in isosceles triangle two of its sides are equal to each other. So here equal sides, each of equal sides is given, which is what? 12 centimeter. So here we write, take as AB is 12 and AC is 12. Now we take as the third side be x, because of in Heron's formula we required all three sides of the triangle. So now after that perimeter is given, which is 30 centimeter by the concept of that. So perimeter means sum of all sides, so from there we find its third side, which is take as x. Okay, after finding the all three sides of the triangle, we use Heron's formula, which is S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Okay, this is your Heron's formula. Now we put as the value of S, A, B, and C respectively, and simplify them. We get the result as 9 under root 15. So 9 under root 15 centimeter square. This is the required area of triangle ABC. Okay, so please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Now dear students, we take and solve some other important question of your syllabus based on Heron's formula. Let's see. Now let's see some other important question, and your question is, the perimeter of a triangular field. The question is, perimeter of a triangular field is 450 meter, is 450 meter, and its sides are in the ratio, and its sides are in the ratio 13 ratio 12 ratio 5. Okay, 13 ratio 12 ratio 5. Find the area of the triangle. Find area of the triangle. Find the area of the triangle. Now let's see its solution. In that question, the sides of the required triangle are in the ratio. So let the sides are 13x, 12x, and 5x respectively. Okay, let the sides are 13x, 12x, and 5x respectively, because of the sides are in the ratio. That is, it means that side A is what, 13x, side B is what, 12x, and side C is what, 5x respectively. Okay, now perimeter is also given in that question, which is what, 450 meter. This is the perimeter of the rectangular field. Since perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C, sum of its all sides. Perimeter means what? Sum of its all sides. Now from there to A is what, 13x, this is 12x, 5x is equal to perimeter is what, 450. Perimeter is what, 450. Now what I do, dear students, now let's see, 13 and 12, 13 and 12, that is what, 25x plus 5x is equal to 450, that is what, 30x. 30x is equal to 450, 0 0 cancel to each other, so x is equal to 45 upon 3, 15. So value of x is equal to 15. Okay, thus dear student, first of all we find the value of x. Now what I do, now in this way we put the value of x in A, B and C. So in this way we get the we find all three sides of the triangle. That is, now A is equal to 13x, which is 13 into 15. So means what, 5 4 195 meter. The first side is what, 195 meter. Second, B is what, 12 into x, means 12 into x means what, 15 180 meter. Okay, and third side C is what, 5x. So 5 into x is 15, 75. This is 75 meter. And the semi perimeter s is equal to half of the perimeter, means 450 upon 2. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 2 5 the 10. यानी the semi perimeter is 225 meter. So in this way Dear student, first of all we find the semi perimeter of the triangular field as well as all three sides of the triangular field. Now what I do now, for finding the area of that triangular field, so first of now we apply the Heron's formula. Okay, so thus by Heron's formula, area of triangular field will be now in under root s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c. Okay, now we put the value of s, a and b, c. S is what, 225 into 225 minus a is what, 195 into s minus b means 225 minus b is what, 180. Okay, into 125 minus c is what, 75. C is what, 75. Okay, now we simplify them. So let's see, this is 225 into 225 minus 195 is what, 30. This is 30 is left now. Okay, now 225 minus 180, 225 minus 180, 5 45. This here 45 is left into here 225 subtracted by 75, 0 सब गया 5 1 150 150. Okay, now we simplify them. Let's see. Now this here 225, we can write 225 as what, 225 write as it is. Okay, 30 we can write 30 we can write 30 as 5 into 6. Okay, and 45 we can write 9 5s are 9 into 5, and 150 write as 25 6 are. Now look, so what I get, let's see. So dear student, from there the square root of 225, you know that the square root of 225 is what, 15. So here we write as 15. 5 is in pair, so 5 common out from the surds. 6 is also in pair, to 6 common from the surds, and the square root of 9 is what, 3, and the square root of 25 is what, 5. Now in this way all the values come out from the surds. Now we multiply them and we get our result. Let's see. So we have at what, 15 right as it is, this is 25, 6 3 is 18. Now after multiplying each of them we get 6750 meter square. So this is the what, 6750 meter square. This is the area of the triangular field. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, thus Dear student, in this way you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay, dear student. So first you revise all the important question which we discussed in that class and also in previous classes. After that you complete your NCERT exercise. Now we take and solve some other important question. Now we take and solve some other important question based on Heron's formula. Okay, dear friends. The next question is the perimeter of our triangle is the perimeter of a triangle is 300 meter 300 meter. If its sides are in the ratio, if its sides are in the ratio 3 is to 5 is to 7, find the area of the triangle. Find the area of the triangle. Let's see its solution. This is one of the most important question of your syllabus. So please concentrate on that question and simplify them. Now let's see. These questions simplify same as previous question. In that question, if its sides are in the ratio given in ratio, so let us consider the sides of the triangle are 3x, 5x and 7x respectively. Okay, and perimeter is given as what? 300 meter. So here its sides A take as 3x, B take as 5x and C take as 7x. Thus perimeter is what? A plus B plus C, that is A means what? 3x plus 5x plus 7x is equal to 300. Now we simplify them. This is 15x is equal to 300. So x is equal to 300 upon 15 to 0 and 0, 15 to the 30 and 0. So x is equal to 20. X is equal to 20. Thus, dear student, in this way we get the value of x as what? 20. We get the value of x as what? 20. Thus its sides are the sides of the triangle A is 3x, this is 3 into 20, 60 meter. Okay, B is what? 5x, 5 into x means 20, this is 100 meter, and C what 7x, 7 into x is what 20. This is 140 meter. So in this way we find what all of its sides, means A, B and C, and perimeter is given as 30, 300, that is semi perimeter S is equal to half of the perimeter, 300 upon 2, that is 150 meter. So 150 meter is what? That's when 150 meter is our semi perimeter. Now what I do, now we find the area of triangle. Thus the area of triangle, ABC is what? Under root S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Okay. Now we just putting the values of each and every values. S is what? 150 into 150 minus A is what? 60 into 150 minus B is what? 100, and C is what? 140. Now look, now dear student, we simplify them. Let's see. So 150 we can write what? 25 into 6. Now 150 minus 60, that is 90 is left. Okay. Now 150 minus 100, this is 50 is left. This is 10 is left here. Okay, because of 150 minus 140, that is 10. Now dear student, look, we can write 25 as it is 25, 6, we can write 3 into 2, 90 we can write 9 into 10, we can write 55 into 10, and 10 write as it is. Now look, so into 2, okay. Now look, from there we take 5 as common from the under root. Okay. Now the square root of 9 is what? 3. So 3 common out from the under root. Now that 10 in pair, one pair of 10, so 10 is also common out from the square root. Okay. Now what I get, let's see. In under root we have 3 into 2 into 5 into that 10 we can write 5 into 2. Now look, 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 15 into 10, this is 150 into, now let's 5 is in pair, 2 is also is in pair, so 5 and 2 common out from the square root into under root 3 is left. Okay, only in under root. Now we multiply them, so 150 into 5 2s are 10 into under root 3, so we have what? 1500 into under root 3 meter square. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, so this one, so please do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Now in this way, in today class we take and solve some important question based on Hero's formula and solve some important question of your NCERT book based on these topics. Now dear students, in next class we take and solve some important question based on the topic application of Heron's formula and we simplify them. So first you revise all the question which we discussed in that class and complete your NCERT exercise. Okay, dear student. Oh, thanks to all.